Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to create a modern and professional social media flyer using a camera aperture shape. Let's get started. First, click on New File, select the social media preset, name your document social media, and click Create. Now import the red balloon background onto the canvas. Next, import the camera aperture shape that I downloaded from Google and place it in the center of the canvas. If you need to make small adjustments, use the keyboard arrow keys to position it perfectly. Now, select the magic wand tool and click on the first section of the aperture shape. Go to the adjustment layer icon and choose solid color. Pick any color you like. Repeat the same process for each section until all the aperture shapes have their own color fill layers. Once you're done, select the original camera aperture shape layer and press the Delete key. After creating all the color fill layers, select them all, hold the Shift key, and press Ctrl+T to resize the entire aperture design so it fits perfectly on the canvas. Now it's time to add the images. Select the first color fill layer and import an image above it. Hold the Alt key between the two layers to create a clipping mask. Press Ctrl+T to resize and position the image. Repeat the same process for the remaining color fill layers until every shape is filled with an image. Adjust each image carefully to make the final design look clean and professional. Now let's organize the layers. Select each image together with its corresponding color fill layer and press Ctrl+G to create a group. Repeat this process for all the layers. This will keep your Photoshop file neat and make future editing much easier. Next, import your main subject image. Right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T to resize and position it. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J, then rename the copied layer Shadow. Go to the Adjustment Layer menu, choose Solid Color, and select Black. Hold the Alt key to create a clipping mask. Select the shadow layer and transform it according to the light direction. Then add a layer mask. Select the gradient tool and apply a black gradient to the mask. Next, go to Filter, choose Blur, and apply Gaussian blur. Finally, reduce the layer opacity until the shadow looks soft and natural. Create a new layer and select a soft round brush. Change the blending mode to multiply and lower the opacity. Now import the birthday text. Double-click the text layer and apply a color overlay effect. Press Ctrl+T to resize and position the text. Then group all the text layers together and rename the group Text. For the final touch, create a new layer and apply a gradient using the Gradient tool. Change the blending mode to linear dodge and reduce the opacity. Import the glitter texture and change the blending mode. Press Ctrl+T to resize it. Hold the Alt key while adding a black layer mask. Select a soft white brush and paint only on the areas where you want the glitter effect to appear. This will give your design a premium and professional look. And that's it. Our professional social media flyer is now complete. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.